kilometres from port A on a bearing of 253 degrees true. You don't always need that T afterwards for true. Sometimes you use different bearings. They use the T. And it's doing that from A on that bearing to a buoy. We're going to use the letter B for that. Find how far the ship is west of A. Okay? So, when you get a question like this, you've got to work out how to put that into a diagram. And once you put it into a diagram, you should be able to find your triangle to use your trigonometry to do the calculations. And so there's a few key things that I want to point out to you here. When you have the word from, that's your starting point. Okay, so in these kind of questions, the word from is your starting point. Okay, and so that means I'm going to draw my compass axes here, and my A is the starting point, so I'm going to write A here. Okay, my A is here. And then it heads in a direction of 253 degrees, 3-digit bearing from A. So where do we find that? So I say, alright, that's my 0 up here, that's 90 to here. I'll be watching the board to do this so you can see what I'm saying. 0, 90, 180 down to here, 270 over to here. So it's somewhere in this quadrant. Okay with that? 0, 90, 180, 270. And we want to find 253, it's between 180 and 270. So for the moment, let's just draw the line. I'm not going to get any more specific than that. We will do that in a moment. But it's in that quadrant. Okay? And it goes to this thing that's called B over here. So, if that's where I start from, that's where I go. How far west of A? So what does that look like on my diagram? Where am I drawing that line to show how far west of A, kind of where I'm going to do that calculation? You've got two options. Am I doing a horizontal line like this or a vertical line like this? Which one? Horizontal. Be proud. Horizontal. Is that what you're saying? Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Okay, so we've got a horizontal line. So this is how far west. So we're saying, alright, this distance here is how far west. We okay with that? That's how far. And so, where am I going to draw my right angle triangle? This is trigonometry. I need a right angle triangle at this stage to do this. We're going to teach you a bit more about non-right angle triangle soon. But for the moment, if this is my triangle now, I'm going to put it over here just to kind of make it a bit easier to see. That's my right angle triangle. That's A, that's B. Okay? And I want to find this W. I'm going to call that W there. That's what I'm going to find. How far west? So I need a few more things to add into that now to be able to work out what that W is. Let's go back to my first diagram. What is a length that I know from the question? 63. Where does that go on my triangle? Sorry? AB? Yeah, the hypotenuse. That's right. Yes, that's 63 kilometres. Okay, alright, so I'll put that there and I'll put that on my triangle over here. 63. What else do I know? There's one other number that I know. The angle, okay? I don't yet know quite yet how it's going to work on my triangle, but it's 253. So that means that this whole angle here is 253 degrees. Okay? So, if I want to work out, well, let's say, well, I'm going to say we want to find out this angle in the triangle, which means this angle in here, in the diagram. Okay, that angle here in the triangle, this one here in the diagram. How can I use that 253 to work out what that angle is there?
Minus it from 270.
Yeah, take away from 270, because I said that's 90, 180, 270 up here, that's great. And so I can go 270 minus that, which is 17 degrees. And so that is going to be over here, 17 degrees. Okay, real good with that? Now, it all depends on where we drew our triangle, because if we drew our triangle in another place, we might have been finding a different angle, but again, we're just making sure that whatever we do, we're consistent from the diagram here to the triangle over here. And that's what I've done now. I'll draw my diagram with the information on it, but then I'll take my triangle out to make it easy to do the calculations. And I recommend that as a process. Draw your north, south, east, west diagram, and then put on here a triangle to get all the information. Okay. Right. So having got that, what trig? Now I've got this here. I've now got a side here that I know. I've got an angle that I know, and I've got a side I've got to find out. What trig am I going to use? Cos. Why do you say that? Awesome. Okay. So this one here is your hypotenuse. This one here is your adjacent. All right. And so we're going to go cos 17 degrees equals W over 63 by 63 here, multiplying by 63 over here. Okay? So remember that, we've got a W over 63, a letter over a number, we multiply by the number on both sides to get the letter by itself. And so you should get an answer of 60.25 to 2 decimal places. .25 kilometres. Okay? So that's how we use our bearings to solve some of these problems. Okay? And we use our trigonometry to solve some of these bearings problems.